Hello everyone, myself Kavita Sharma, a member of SURAJ Group of Education. Friends, as we all know very well that due to coronavirus, students are suggested to stay at home, but they are missing their school campus. Come with me, let's see what they are missing and feeling.
I miss my computer lab. Wow, what the days when we are in computer.
I miss my dance class.
I miss my morning assembly.
We miss our school bus.
I miss my school playground.
I also miss my school.